Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be covering 5 codes that you may have on a Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler or Fiat vehicles guys with a keyless entry, also known as passive entry system. What that means guys, it means that by having the key in your pocket, you can just reach, open the door, get in the vehicle without unlocking it. It will unlock automatically and you can just push your start button and start driving the car. You don't even need a key, just you have to have the key in your pocket. That's the keyless go, keyless entry system or passive entry system. So if you have Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, Fiat guys, and you have any of the following 5 codes in the corner of the video below guys, the code I'm talking, okay, the first code is B1A7113 and you go all the way to 7513. Stay with us and we'll explain guys what causes that and how to fix it. Quick introduction, every car we get at the shop, including this generation guys, Dodge right here, or pretty much any car guys, we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video, hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now if you want to save even more money on car parts, tools, anything like that, check out guys the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we order all the parts and tools from. This is guys a 2015, okay, that we have 2015 Dodge Dart guys, with keyless entry right there, you can see. And now, okay, let me focus quick. Okay, that's what it looks like. Having a hard time focusing today. Okay, right there, this is it guys. If you have a remote that looks like that, Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, Fiat guys, anything like that, the one that you just reach and open the door, and you have any of the codes, we'll explain what can cause that now guys. The scanner that we'll be using, it's not a Dodge scanner, but it works on any car. And if you're on the market for a good scanner guys, check out the link. It's definitely worth the investment in my opinion. Find your OBD port, connect your scanner. What else we need to do guys? Okay, let me explain quick. Turn your ignition on. Okay, with the ignition being on, okay, this is the scanner right here, and let me show you. Okay, what we'll be doing here now. So this is it right here guys. This is the scanner. It works on any make and model pretty much, so really good too. Check out how many cars it supports. It's amazing. What we'll do, we'll just click VIN, auto detect. It's going to decode the VIN number and tell us exactly which vehicle we have. That way we don't even need to worry about guys about manually picking the vehicle and knowing which engine and all that stuff. We confirm that this is the VIN number. It's loading. 2016 Dodge Dart. It's actually made in 15 but it's a 16 model, so it's the same thing. Click diagnostics, and what I'll do, I'll go to control unit. We're going to select now. You have a few options here guys. Let's see where it is. Body. Okay, I don't think it will be right blind spot. Nope, let me see. It's either chassis or info. Not here. You have so many computers in that car, it's crazy. Okay, it is right here, and I want to show you now. Right here, oh, let me go back, I clicked the wrong one actually. Right here that it says radio frequency hub. Okay, we click that one, we click read codes, and we will guys have actually 3 codes, but one of them, okay, don't count this one because it's a tire pressure sensor signal guys. But the codes that we have is B1A7113 and 7513. Check out the third, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th digit of the code guys. That's 1 and here it's 5. It actually corresponds to the passive entry antenna of your vehicle. This is antenna 1, antenna 5 because that digit is 5 and this is 5, and the same thing applies to the other one. So it means guys that we have problem with the passive entry antennas. Depending on your Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler models, you may have quite a few antennas. Ours actually, I think it has only 3 or 4. One that controls the front left side, okay, one controls the front right, one that here detects that you have the key to start the vehicle, and one for the trunk. So I'll go ahead and turn the car off guys, and I'm going to show you now quick what can cause that. Now the one usually for the front door on your Dodge vehicle, often guys that antenna will be actually in the rear door. Doesn't make any sense, but it's very close to the rear, to the front door handle because it's on the front side of the rear door. And if that wire guys is loose, okay, if it's not connected all the way, it needs to be connected, and if it's loose, it's not going to contact. Another thing guys, it could be a broken wire somewhere, or wire that's not plugged in, or it could be a faulty antenna that can trigger the code. 3 things: connector, wire, or faulty antenna. This is one of them. You have one on the other side like that as well for another code, and The one for the rear, okay, it's this one here. This one, okay, the way it's designed, I'll show you. Okay, this one is actually really easy to lose. Okay, let's connect it quick and I'm going to explain something to you guys. On most Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler vehicles that we've worked, we've noticed, okay, you have to press that pink thing in all the way. That's a safety lock, otherwise it can get loose, guys. And we've noticed that most of them, actually what happens, they don't have a screw here. Okay, so they're just flopping under the rear bumper. This is the rear of the vehicle, guys. And it's made to where you can install two screws, so I would recommend to install them, because otherwise, okay, that thing can come loose, okay, hang on the wires and it can cause damage, and that's why you may get a call because of a broken wire or antenna, guys, that's not connected. So without that being connected, okay, let me show you now. You should be able, guys, to go ahead and clear the codes. Or if it's not a connector, if it's not a wire, it's a faulty antenna, and you can see where you can purchase one from in the description of the video below. So I'm going in now, and what I'll do, I'll click erase codes. Yes. Now the only code I will have is probably for the tire pressure monitor system. It will stay there. Yep, but that's fine. We need to replace the sensor there. That definitely took care of our problem, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.